Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Oukitel WP23, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items on this device. To do it, firstly you need to take the cover, if you have the cover on this device. Then open the USB saver, and here, as you can see, I have the trash, and I suggest to use old toothbrush to clean the connector, because using the toothbrush you will not damage your USB charging port, so never use metal objects to clean it. Insert one part of the toothbrush. I know everyone has an old toothbrush at home, and if you have no, you can use your and just buy the new one for you after you use your toothbrush for cleaning debris. Of course, you can do it faster if you will use metal pin or something similar to pin, but you need to know about responsibility about damaging the USB charging port, because in this way you can damage your USB port. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.